Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, today's story's title is Birbal Caught Thief. All of us are familiar with the stories of Akbar and Birbal. Who was Akbar? Akbar was a king. And who was Birbal? Birbal was working with Akbar. And Birbal was the knight of Akbar, and he was very intelligent man, and there are many stories of his intelligence, and this story also is about the intelligence of Birbal. One day one minister came to Akbar and he told Akbar that last night robbery took place at his house, and all the valuables of his were stolen. All the valuables belonging to him were stolen. And when Akbar heard this, he was shocked because minister's house was in the safe area. No thief can reach into that area, and no thief can go into that area and steal things. And his house was in a very secure place. So he was shocked and he was surprised also. How could a thief reach into the house of the minister, and how he could steal things, or how he could steal valuable things from the house of that minister? So he called Birbal and he told this thing to Birbal, and he told Birbal to solve this problem. Then Birbal thought that minister's house was in a safe area, so that no outsider thief can reach there. No outsider thief can go into that area and do theft. So he understood that this theft is done by somebody from insider. This theft may be done from some other courtier or some other minister. So he called all the courtiers there, and he said one of the courtier to bring a donkey, and he tied that donkey to a pillar, and then he said all the courtiers to come to that place the next day, and they have to touch the tail of the donkey, and they had to say, "I have not stolen valuable things of this minister." Then all the ministers went away, all the courtiers went away, and before that Birbal painted the tail of that donkey with black color. And on the next day he called all the courtiers and he told them, "Go there, near that pillar there is a donkey, touch to the tail of the donkey and say, 'I have not stolen.'" Then one by one all the courtiers went there, they touched the tail of the donkey and they said, "I have not stolen valuable things of the ministers." Then when all the courtiers had finished touching, then he called one by one near Birbal and he told them to show their palms, to show their hands. And when all the courtiers were coming and showing their hands to Birbal, there were the marks of black color on their palms. And just there was one courtier, his name was Alim Khan, and there were no marks of black color on his palms, and he was the thief. Birbal caught him because of the fright that Alim Khan had not touched the tail of the donkey. And Birbal had colored that tail. Birbal had painted that tail with black color, because when they will touch to the tail of the donkey, then there will be marks of black color on the palms of that person. But this person was a thief. Alim Khan was a thief, and so that he did not touch the tail of the donkey, and he was caught. Birbal said to Akbar that Alim Khan is a thief. He has stolen the valuable things from the house of the minister. And then Akbar called Alim Khan and asked him whether he had stolen things or not. Then he admitted that he had stolen things from the house of that minister, and then he was punished, and Birbal was rewarded for finding out the thief. My dear friends, all of us are familiar with the stories of Akbar and Birbal. They are very interesting stories, and they are intelligent stories. In all the stories, Birbal has shown that he is an intelligent person, and he has shown his intelligence in every story. And this was the story. What we can learn from this story, or what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that the intelligence of Birbal. Birbal caught thieves, or Birbal solved the problems in the court of the Akbar with the help of his intelligence. So that, my dear friends, we should also be intelligent persons. We should also use our intelligence whenever we are in problem. That is the moral of the story. My dear friends, I am narrating one story every day. Why am I narrating one story every day? Because I want to give something to my students to listen in English. And when they will listen something in English, then it will help them to speak in English. Because for speaking any language, what is important? Listening is important. We should listen every day, at least for 1 hour in English. Then it will help us to speak in English. And that's why I am narrating you stories, because stories are interesting. They give us chance to listen in English, and they teach us moral things in life. They teach us manners also. That's why I am narrating stories. So my dear friends, every day you have to listen my stories. They will help you to improve your English, and they will help you to improve your manners also. So if you like this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. That's it. Thanks a lot.